Hello students, I am Yogesh Chetri, your computer science teacher. Welcome to the virtual class. In our last discussion,
So students, today's topic of discussion is modular programming with QBasic. So under this topic, today we will discuss on what is modular programming, what is module, what are the advantages of modular programming, modular programs with SOP and SOP. So here, first of all, you have to understand what is modular programming. Actually, modular programming is a way of writing a program. It consists of a main module and one or more sub-modules or procedure. A program is divided into different parts called modules. Actually, in modular programming, we'll divide program into different modules like main module and sub-module. QBasic is also known as modular programming language because it allows the user to divide program into manageable blocks or procedures or modules. Now you can see the structure of modular programming. Here you can see main module and sub-modules. Main module is the main part of the program under which we can write many sub-modules using sub-procedure or function procedure. So students, why is modular programming required? When program becomes lengthy, it is difficult to write and manage. It is also difficult to understand. So long program codes. If you have long program, then we can write with small manageable blocks called modules. And the technique of writing program with different modules is called modular programming. So if you have big program that you can divide in small blocks, which is called modular programming. So what is module? Actually, module is a block of statements that is written for a particular problem. Module is also called procedure, and QBasic supports two types of module. First one is sub-module and second one is function module. If you write program with modular structure, you will get some advantages. So first advantage of modular programming is it is easy to write programs, because program we can divide in different blocks or different groups. So different programmers can write programs for different sectors or different departments. So second advantage is programs can be developed more quickly with the modular approach, since small programs are easier to understand, design and test than larger programs. Third advantage is multiple use of procedures or modules. In modular programming, same module or procedure can be used in many places. So that is the good advantage of modular programming. Last advantage of modular programming is it is easy to debug and modify procedures. Now students, I'll explain modular programming with the help of one program. Suppose question is, write a program to input length and breadth, then find the area of rectangle using sub-procedure. So in the screen, you can see two modules, main module and under that we have sub module. So main module starts from declare and end with end statement, and sub module, if you write with sub procedure, then that starts with solve and that will end with end solve. So here, if you want to write program with sub procedure, then first you have to declare. So this is new for you. So statement is declared. We are writing program with sub procedure. So declare solve, sub name, area, and within bracket two variables are there. So L is for length and B is for breadth. After that, we can input the value of L. So input enter length L and input enter breadth B. Then after that, we have to use another statement, that is call statement. So with the help of call, area, within bracket L comma B, it will execute this sub module. So you have to write call, sub name, area, and within bracket you can write same variables L comma B. And with the help of this, it will call this sub procedure. It means it will execute this sub procedure and it will pass the value of L to this variable and value of B to this variable. So here also we have written L comma B. So variables of sub area like L and B, they will receive the data transfer from call statement. So after that, it will execute like A equals to L into B. It will find out the area of rectangle and it will print area of rectangle. The variable is A. After that, ends. So by this sub procedure, it will receive the data supply from main module. Then it will find the value of A, area, and it will print in sub module only. Then by end sub, it will end the sub procedure and again pointer or program will flow to main module only. And after call statement, we have written end statement. So by end statement, it will terminate the program. So in QBasic modular programming, we can write in this way. And this main module you will get in one screen, and this sub module you will get in another screen. Okay, students, for your class work, one question is there, and question is write a program to input a number, then check whether number is even or odd using sub module. So this program you have to write with sub procedure. So for this you will get 5 minutes time. Students, answer for the classwork is on the screen. So all of you listen me carefully. I'll explain it. So here in this program, what you have to do is you have to input a number, then you have to check whether that number is odd or even. So you know this program, you have already written this program, but same program we'll write with sub procedure. So like in previous program, here we have to declare sub name ABC, and within bracket only one variable is here. In previous program we had written two variables, but in this program we have written only one variable. The reason is we have to input only one number, and that we have to pass to the sub procedure. And after that we have to write input statement to input number from the keyboard. Input enter number n. So n is store the input number, and after that we have to use call statement, call ABC and n. So it will call this program, means it will execute sub procedure, that is ABC, and it will pass the value of n. Suppose if you input 5, that 5 goes to this n, n written in subprogram, and suppose the value of n is 5. So 5 divided by 2, value of r is 1, remainder is 1. So if you divide any number by 2 and if remainder is 1, that is odd number. So if the value of r is 1, 1 equals to 0. So condition is false. So it will go to false side, that is L side, and it will print number is odd. And in the same program, suppose if you supply 4, 4 will transport to this variable n of subprocedure by call statement. So the value of n is 4. 4 divided by 2, value of r is 0. Suppose value of r is 0, then condition becomes true. So if condition is true, it will go to the first statement here, and it will print number is even, and it will go out of end if and end sub. By end sub, it will terminate the sub procedure, and again it will go back to the next statement of call statement, that is end statement. By that it will terminate the program. So students, I hope you have understood the basic of modular programming. For your homework, some questions are there, so you just do in your copy, try in computer and send through the email. Thank you very much.